welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the May Bellabox, so let's get into it. I wonder what is inside. The first one is a big one. It is another Skin Regenerator product. We have received a handful of their products in boxes in the past. So this one looks to be the Skin Regenerator Renewal Essence. So it's kind of, I'm assuming it's kind of like a face serum. So this one is full size and it retails for $53.95 at Chemist Warehouse, Priceline and 40fathoms.com.au. Containing the powerful Fucus vesciculis extract, 40 Fathoms Skin Regenerator Renewal Essence visibly transforms the skin by regenerating skin cells and activating the skin's natural ability to restore itself, concentrated with a tight texture that protects and rejuvenates the skin for a glowing and youthful appearance. So yeah, I've definitely been giving some of the products a go that we've received in boxes in the past. So keen to give this a go, and the fact that it's full size and valued at $50, that's actually pretty cool. Here's what the product looks like. It's just like a pump. I'll be keen to give that one a go. Next we have what looks to be a fragrance that has fallen out of here, but that's all right. This is Rochas Girl. It is just a sample, obviously, but you can get it at David Jones and the Iconic for $107 for the 60 mils or $142 for the 100 mils. Girl is a fragrance for a new generation that is attentive to its own well-being. Because the world is changing, Girl is kinder to the environment with a vegan formula that contains 90% natural origin ingredients and an eco-designed bottle made from 40% recycled glass. In the top notes, luminous neroli with a relaxing properties mingles with the freshness of pink peppercorn and blackcurrant bud. In the middle notes, the fragrance develops a bouquet of orange blossom and jasmine, bursting with femininity. Lastly, white woods and vanilla leave behind a creamy textured trail, a citrus woody floral fragrance for a spray good, feel good experience. So it's one of those annoying fragrances that doesn't have a sprayer, it's just the bottle of liquid, which is very... I spill them all the time. But yeah, I can definitely smell the citrus in that. But yeah, I really do prefer the bottles that have a sprayer rather than just liquids. So, I mean, I'll give it a go, but it's not really my favorite format of, you know, packaging. But, you know, it is what it is. Next, we have a QV face product. This is the QV Face Gentle Cleanser. It's just a sample, but the full 250 gram size is $12.95, or the 500 grams is $24.95 at Chemist Warehouse, Priceline at egoshop.com.au. So I do work in a pharmacy, not a Chemist Warehouse or a Priceline, but we do stock this product. So it is something I already am familiar with because I sell it to people. Enriched with safflower oil, this gentle and lightly foaming facial cleanser is perfect for dry and sensitive skin types. Added moisturizers help protect the skin against moisture loss during cleansing, while vitamin E provides antioxidant benefits. Use morning and night for a healthy glow and soft, supple skin. I mean, I'll give it a go, to be honest, but it's not like the most exciting thing just because I do work in a pharmacy and like this is more of an everyday part of my job. So, I mean, I'll give it a go, but like I already know what to expect, to be honest, because it is, you know, part of my daily life, which is not at the fault of Bellabox, but yeah, not a bad product to receive. Next we have a Innisfree product. This is the Retinol Cica Repair Ampoule. So I'm thinking it's kind of like a retinol serum sort of thing. So obviously this is just a sample, but the 30 ml size is $54 at Innisfree Australia and Adore Beauty. A mild yet highly effective low irritant ampoule with retinol and Cica helps to hydrate, soothe, and target troubled skin that's prone to breakouts, acne, enlarged pores, and uneven texture, making it suitable for beginners and those who are prone to skin sensitivity. Well, that definitely sounds like me. I've definitely got some sensitive skin, and I am, you know, getting a bit older. So retinol is definitely something I should probably start incorporating into my routine. So that's definitely a great one to give a go, and it's a decent enough size sample where I can figure out if I like it or not. So yeah, that's actually a really great product to receive. I'm pretty keen to give that a go. And last we have our hero product of the box is the Australis Metal AF Liquid Eyeshadow. So we got to choose what one we got, and I chose Amethyst. It's like a purpley greeny sort of shift to it. I got it because I wanted to try something a bit more out of my comfort zone rather than just going for something that like I've got a million of already. So this is full size and it's $14.95 at australiscosmetics.com.au. These liquid eyeshadows allow you to add high coverage, intense metallic finish to your eyes, wear alone or blend with powder eyeshadows for a more intense eye look. That's what it looks like. It's like, it's got a purple and like a greeny, yellowy, like a goldy shift. So it's kind of like got purple, green and gold in the color, which I thought was really nice. Rather than just going for golds and pinks and things that are like more in my comfort zone, I thought I'd go for that goldy purple and try something fun and new. Then we have a wine advertisement thing, as well as a HelloFresh advertisement as well. And then on top of that, we have an Elodie advertisement as well. So 3 advertisements. Alrighty, so looking at everything we got in the box this month, still disappointing that they brought the bonuses back for a very short time just to take them away again. But yeah, this is actually a pretty good box, I would say. The fragrance is disappointing about the packaging. Again, not Bellabox's fault. It is the maker of the fragrance itself, so it made that sample. The metallic eyeshadow is a great one to have in the box, and the fact that we got to choose a color is great. The retinol serum, I'm actually pretty keen to give that a go. Innisfree is a cool brand, and I'd love to try retinol out. The Skingenerator from Fathoms. I feel like staying with Bellabox, I'm going to be trying the entire skincare line from this brand at some point. I know I've tried like at least a handful of products over the last couple of years, and the QV face cleanser, it's fine, but due to personal circumstances of my job, it is not a particularly exciting product to me, but it will be a good one for a lot of people who might not have tried anything from that range to give it a go. So I would definitely say it's still a good one to get. So yeah, overall this box definitely has a thumbs up from me. But yeah, just apart from the packaging on the fragrance, it would have been perfect. But yeah, let me know in the comments, what did you guys get in your box? Did you get something different? Did you get what I got? What did you think? Yeah, let's have a convo in the comments. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.